Welcome everyone to a Soren review, but this is not a Soren review, more of an unboxing episode. Wave 10 of the NASCARs were not very nice. I've only had not very good luck. I've only found 2. Wave 8 has easily been the worst one. I found none. But Wave 11 was very kind. And I found 8 of the 9 cars. And that is what we're going to be unboxing today. So I thought let's start off first with the number 41 Darlington throwback of it's Daniel Suarez's Darlington throwback to Tony Stewart. I have 2 of the throwbacks here, and then I also have the Eric Almirola one as well, so we'll show that. Just do know that if you want to see an in-depth review of any of these cars, make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. So let me get this car unboxed, and we'll show it off quickly. So here is the 41 car. It's a simple paint scheme. We're not going to really go into depth at all. You can just see the black and the orange, the Haas logo in the back. Definitely copying Home Depot for sure. If you want to see a review on this car, leave it down in the comments below. Next car is the 27 truck of Myatt Snider. So let me get this one unboxed and we'll show this one briefly. Here is the Myatt Snider Louisiana hot sauce truck. Raced this part-time in 2019, I want to say. So not bad. It's a Ford F-150 Thor Sport truck, so not bad. If you want to see this one reviewed in depth, comment down below. Next one, I think a lot of people's favorites, the William Byron throwback to, oh my gosh, what movie? Days of Thunder. So if you want to, so let me get this one unboxed. Here's the William Byron Chevrolet City Hendrick Auto Guard car. Very nice. I think people really like this car. I like it too. It's not bad. Definitely an awesome throwback. So if you want to see this one reviewed, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. This next car is easily one of my favorites in this wave. The U.S. Air Force for Bubba Wallace. Oh, it's just so nice. Such a nice car. So let me get this one unboxed and we'll look at it. Easily one of my favorites in this wave, especially seeing that it's a matte finish. Oh, it's just such a nice car. I might just have to do a review of this, whether people want it or not. But we'll see. If you want to see this car in the reviewed in depth, comment down below. And the next car is Kyle Busch's Darlington throwback to Ron Bouchard, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but I think it's Ron Bouchard. So let me unbox this and show it briefly. So here's the Kyle Busch Snickers car. Not a bad paint scheme. Definitely one of my more favorite Snickers paint schemes. Not a huge fan of the Snickers paint schemes. Not a bad throwback. So if you want to see this one reviewed in depth, leave it down below. Next car, the last of the Tony Stewart tribute cars, Clint Boyer. Definitely, whenever I see this one, out of all of them, I think Tony Stewart. So let me open this one and we'll show it off. Here's the Tony Stewart tribute. I think it's the 14 that makes it remind me of Tony Stewart. I think this is Office Max paint scheme or Office Depot or something like that. Definitely really good car. Definitely really good car. So if you want to see this one reviewed in depth, leave it down below. You know what to do. 2 more to go. This is Ryan Blaney's throwback to, I think it's Michael Waltrip. I could be wrong. I think it's Michael Waltrip. So let me unbox this and we'll show it off. So here's the Ryan Blaney Pennzoil card. Simple paint scheme. Really simple paint scheme. Not too bad though. Could see it erased now. So if you want to see this one reviewed, leave it down in the comments below. Not much to say about this paint scheme. One more to go. And that is easily one of the best paint schemes. Mountain Dew paint schemes. The Mountain Dew Dew United paint scheme. Oh, it's such a nice paint scheme. Racist of Kentucky. So let me unbox this and we'll see it up close. Okay, so this is this car. It's also matte, like the Bubba Wallace U.S. Air Force Warthog. Oh, this is a beautiful paint scheme. So if you want to see this viewed in depth, leave it down in the comments below. If you want to see any of these cars viewed in depth, just leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to do any of them. And thank you for tuning in to this Wave 11 unboxing. We'll see you next time when I feel like uploading. Goodbye, everybody.